In this video, let us discuss how to write a C program to swap the content of two variables using both call by value and call by reference method. Assume that we have two variables x and y. Let x be 5 and y is equal to 10. Our goal is to interchange the content of x and y. That means after executing our program, x should become 10 and y should contain 5. In order to achieve this, we need to take a third variable. Let us say z. First copy the content of x to z. Now z become 5. Next copy the content of y to 10. That means x now becomes 10. Then copy the value of z to y. Y becomes y. Now x is 10 and y is 5. That means the value of x and y are interchanged. Let us first do the program using call by value method. Start with main. Declare two variables x and y. Enter values of x and y. Assume that we have entered 5 and 10. Print value of x and y. We will get the output before swapping x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Next, call to function swap. We are passing the value of x and y to function swap. That means here we are using call by value method. Go to function swap. Formal parameters a and b are created. The value of x is copied to a and the value of y is copied to b. Function swap will interchange the values of a and b. Create another variable with name c. Print the value of a and b. We will get the output before swapping a equal to 5 and b equal to 10. C equal to a. C becomes 5. A equal to b. A becomes 10. B equal to c. B becomes 5. Print the value of a and b. After swapping, a is 10 and b is 5. We have swapped the values of a and b. Goes back to function main. Print the value of x and y. We will get the output after swapping x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. No change has happened to x and y. Since we have used the call by value method, the actual arguments have not changed. Now let us see the same program using call by reference method. Start with main. X and y are created. Assume that the address of variable x is 2050 and variable y is 1050. Enter the value of x and y. 5 is stored in x and 10 is stored in y. X has address 2050 and value 5. Y has address 1050 and value 10. Print the value of x and y. We will get the output before swapping x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Swap ampersand x comma ampersand y. Here the function is called with the address of variables x and y. Go to function swap. Since the address is passed to the function, a and b are declared as pointer variables. The address of x is copied to a and the address of y is copied to b. A now becomes 2050 and b contains 1050. Create another variable c. Print the content of the memory location pointed by a and b. A points to location with address 2050. So 5 will be printed and y points to 1050. 10 will be printed. We will get the output before swapping star a is equal to 5 and star b equal to 10. That is, the variable of x and y are printed. C equal to star a. The content of the memory location pointed by a is copied to c. That is, the content of 20505 is copied to c. Star a equal to star b. The content of the location pointed by b is copied to the content of the location pointed by a. That is, the content of 1050 is copied to 2050. X now becomes 10. Star b equal to c. Value of c is copied to location pointed by b. C is copied to location 1050. Y now becomes 10. Remember, here the values of a and b are not changed. The change has happened to the values of the locations pointed by a and b. Print the value of the locations pointed by a and b. We will get the output after swapping star a equal to 10 and star b equal to 5. Goes back to main. Print the value of x and y. We will get the output after swapping x equal to 10 and y equal to 5. That means the value of x and y are interchanged using the swap function, since we have used call by reference method.